Okay, we're going to have a look at overtime. Overtime is paid to people earning a wage when they work more than their regular hours. It's paid at a higher rate and is called a penalty rate. Okay. Now, some colloquialisms. Time and a half, you might have heard of time and a half, means you are paid 1.5 times the normal rate. Double time means you are paid 2 times the normal rate. Okay. So, let's have a look at an example. Anna works as a car manufacturer. She is paid $11.20 per hour for a 38-hour week. Anna is paid time and a half for the first 6 hours overtime. Okay. And then she's paid double time for the remainder. Calculate her weekly pay if she works 50 hours. Oh, okay. So she's definitely worked overtime because she worked 50 and her normal rate is 38. So let's work out how much she got paid for the 38. Okay, so the 38 hours pay is going to be $11.20 times 38, which gives us $425.60. Okay, so that's how much she got in the 38-hour week. But she worked 50. Okay, so we've got to let's work out how much overtime she actually did do. So she did 50 hours, take away 38 is going to give us 12 hours overtime. Now we know she gets paid time and a half for the first 6 hours overtime. Okay, and so she's done 12 hours overtime, so she's definitely done 6 at time and a half. So let's do this. We've got the first 6 hours is going to be 6 hours of this 12 from there, okay, times her pay at time and a half, which we know is 1.5 times. So it's going to be $11.20 times 1.5. Okay, does that make sense? This section here is time and a half. $11.20 times 1.5 gives us time and a half. Okay, so let's do that. We've got $11.20 times 1.5 to get what the time and a half rate is, and then 6 hours of that. Okay, which gets us $100.80. Okay, so for the first 6 hours, she worked $100. She got another $100.80 of overtime. How many more hours has she got left of overtime? Another 6. Okay, because she did 12 hours total overtime, and she's done 6 hours at time and a half. We get the remainder at double time. Okay, so the remainder, which is at double time. So we're going to take that extra 6 hours and we're going to do it at double time, which is our normal rate times 2. So we've got $11.20 times 2 times 6 hours gets us $134.40. Now here we go. Sum it all up. Weekly pay is going to be all of them added together, right? $425.60 plus $100.80 plus $134.40. Okay, gives us $660.80. Okay, therefore Anna's weekly pay is $660.80. Okay, that's overtime.